Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning and how are you all? Hope you all will be fine. So class 1, today the date is 17 July 2020 and the day is Friday. And I am your teacher Ma'am Amreen Khalid. Students, in the previous lesson we have learned about the sentences. And you know that sentence is a group of words that make sense. And it always begins with capital letter and ends with a full stop. So today we are going to start our new topic and we are going to learn about nature and rhyming words. Alright, do you know what is nature? Nature as defined as the natural earth and the things on it. Okay, like all the forests, trees, birds, animals, flowers, they all belongs to nature. So students, we have an activity in our English letter book. Okay, so take out your English letter book because we are going to do page number 19. Okay, open page number 19. Oh, here you can see many animals. Okay, and here we have lion, and the lion lost his way in the forest. We need to help the lion. Okay, and let's see how can we help them. We need to find a way out through the forest in the maze. Alright students, this lion wants to go to the finishing area. Let's start from where he can go. And if we start from here, oops, here we have frog. No, lion can't go from there. And here we have crocodile. No, lion can't go from there. This way looks clear. So let's move from here and turn. Yes, this way is looking clear. If we go from there, yes, turn, it's clear. Now if we go from there, there is a tiger. No, we can't go from there. We move straight and then turn and then turn. Yes, this way is clear. And then if we go from there, here we have leopard. No, we can't. So lion has to go from there and then turn and then, yes, here is the finishing area. Yes, this is the way where a lion can go to the finishing area. Now students, what we need to do? We need to name the 5 animals you come across while going through the forest. जब हम फॉरेस्ट में जा रहे थे, ठीक है, तो कुछ एनिमल्स नेम थे जो कि आए थे, ठीक है. सो वी नीड टू राइट द नेम्स ऑफ दीज एनिमल्स. एंड फर्स्ट देयर वाज अ फ्रॉग. यस, देन we can see crocodile. Yes, tiger, deer and leopard. Yes, these are the names of animals which come across while going through the forest. Now students, you need to do this page in your English letter book. I know now you can easily do this. Alright, let's discuss some more thing about nature. What are these? These are flowers. Yes, and flowers belong to nature. We can see many flowers in the garden. Alright, let me ask the name of some flowers. Which flower is this? Yes, it's a rose. Now tell me, which flower is this? You are right, this is sunflower. Now tell me, which flower is this? Yeah, it's beautiful lily. Now Which flower is this? It's tulip. Oh, we have a poem in English letter book about tulip. You want to sing this poem with me? Alright, let's sing this poem. In the garden tulips grow, straight and golden in a row. In the garden tulips grow, straight and golden in a row. Each one holds its empty cup, drinking rain and sunshine up. Each one holds its empty cup, drinking rain and sunshine up. In the garden tulips grow, straight and golden in a row. Yes! Where do the tulips grow? Tulips grow in the garden. And how do they grow? They grow straight and golden in a row. बिल्कुल straight एक row में ये grow करते हैं, ठीक है? And the color of the tulip is golden. And हर एक इस तरीके से होल्ड किया होता है अपने एम्प्टी कप को. Each one holds its empty cup. Everyone holds its empty cup. This is the shape of a cup. So everyone holds its empty cup. हर एक ने होल्ड किया हुआ था empty cup. Drinking rain and sunshine up, और rain and sunshine से tulip grow करता है और up करता है और बड़ा होता है. Okay, so let's sing the poem once again. In the garden tulips grow, straight and golden in a row. Each one holds its empty cup, drinking rain and sunshine up. Yes, now we can easily do the exercises which are on page number 21. Exercise A is fill in the blanks with the correct words. We need to fill the blanks with the correct words. Students, don't try to forget the date here, okay? And today the date is 17 July 2020. Alright, now fill in the blanks with the correct words. Tulips grow in the dash, garden or room? Yes, you're right, garden. Now you need to circle it and then write the garden here. Each tulip holds a cup that is full or empty. Yes, you're right, empty. Now you need to write empty here. The color of the tulips is white or golden? Very good, golden. Now exercise B, answer the following questions. How do the tulips grow? The tulips grow straight in a row. Yes, Abdul Majid, you are right, in a row. What do the tulips need to grow? Who will answer me? Hamna? The tulips need rain. Yes, you are right. And now Fatma will answer me, and yes, sunshine to grow. Very good. Now you all need to do these exercises in your English letter book, which are on page number 20. Okay, alright, let's move to the rhyming words. Alright students, did you notice that when we were singing the poem, there were some words which are ending with same sound, like grow, raw. They both have same ending sound, like aw. You can see first sound is different, but the ending sound is same. Grow, raw, grow, raw. Here we have another pair. Cup, up, cup, up, cup, up. Yes. So students, the words which have the same end sound, like grow and raw, these words are called rhyming words. Okay, so rhyming words are the words which have the same end sound, like fan, pan, mat, fat. Okay, so here we have some more examples. Fan, tan. You can see these group of words have same ending sound. Okay, these all group of words have same ending sound, like fan, tan. Okay, they both have same ending sound. They both rhyme with each other. Sun, fun, they both have same ending sound. Un to sun, fun, they both are rhymes with each other, so they are rhyming words. Mug, bug, mug, bug, rhyming words because they are rhymes with each other. Hand, pan, hand, pan. Yes. Hop, drop, ending sounds are same. Op, so hop, drop. Okay, so these are rhyming words. Now let's do one exercise from English letter book. Open page number 22, and now you need to circle the words that rhymes with. Cup. Cat is a rhyming word? No. We have here the same ending sound. Up. Yes. Now in, find out the word that rhymes with in. Yes, you are right. Fin. Now hold. Gold, stop, grow. Yes, gold. You're right, Abdul Majid. Now jug. Faisal will tell me. Yes, Faisal, you are right. Mug. Man. Tap is the rhyming word. No. Pan. Yes, you are right. Pan. So students, you need to do this exercise in your book. Okay. Now it's time to the home task. Note the home task and do it. Okay, and submit it to me. Bookwork. Read page number 20 and do page number 19, 21 and 22 in English letter book. Okay, you need to read page number 20 and do page number 19, 21 and 22 in English letter book. I have explained to you all the pages. Now copy work. Make title page of nature. First you need to make title page of nature and then copy down exercise A, exercise B from page number 21 and exercise D from page number 22. Hopefully you all will do these exercises in very neat and clean writing. Thank you.